September 2nd, 2022. A little bit of a haboob, as they call it. Arizona dust storm. Like I said, it's Friday, September 2nd, 2022. Look at that. But look at the wall. Look. Show you the size. It goes all the way over there. I panned a little fast, but it'll be here in about, well, you can see it moving. Enlarge it a little bit here. About 15 miles an hour probably. So it'll be here in about a minute. For reference, it's dangerous, but here's cloud ceiling right up there. Sorry, I'm so shaky. Come over here. Total beige. I don't know if you can make that out. And then looking up, dark clouds. Here it comes. And looking back over Alex's house. It's right there. And we're in the middle of it right now.